I'm not sure what it's called in English.
All right, sorry for the delay. Please check this out, and but yeah, I think this will get better results than copying the images, and I also believe it'll be way quicker.
With a solution that I want to show you, and yeah, just want to check if that's working for you. For me, it's quite easy to use, but of course, you as a customer, so you have to decide. Um, I've built a functionality into the script that you have sent to me. So you can see the screener table here, challenge table here. We are only looking at the screener table. I right click my chart, add an alert. I select the script, portfolio CSV export, and then I give it a name. So I just call it X for now, or XY. Create. And now it should trigger right away whenever we get a price change. And of course price is not changing. Now it does. Okay, so we have an entry in here. You can see now in my list I have two alerts. I have this one, the screening alert, and I have a previous one. You can ignore that one, but I just want to show how it looks, because probably you also have alerts in here locked, and I just want to show you how to work with it. So we have those alerts in here. One of them is a screening alert, and now we can click the options and go to export log to CSV file. So it downloaded the CSV file. Now we switch to my desktop. You can see I've tested some alert logs here. This is the latest one, I believe, 9:15, and it looks like this. And now you can see we have, so the first raw is from TradingView directly. It just shows what's in the columns. The second one is a description of our alert. So as you can see here, it says XY in the middle of it. And it also gives us the table header symbol plus minus total L plus minus total S. So the easiest way for me to work with this document would be to delete the first three columns, rows, sorry, and also delete the last one. So the last one here, you can see this is a long short alert that I had in my alert log. This one right here. And we can simply delete that one because we don't need it, right? And if you have, like, let's say you have 60 different alert logs, you can just delete all of them because you don't want them. You just want the screening table. I just want to show you how to work with it. Okay, so now we have like this one. It's not important. Those are just the column names for the alert log. And here, this is our actual alert that we want to work with. So yeah, you have to decide if you want to see the column names like these or not. If you want to see them, just delete the rest of it. If you don't want to see them, you can just delete the whole line and then delete all of this. And maybe at the end you can see there's a timestamp in here. You can also delete the timestamp. So now we have the raw table data. Oh, there's like these to remove those. So now we have the raw table data. That's exactly the same that you see on your chart. We can mark the whole column. It's comma separated if you notice, like each value is comma separated. So we can mark it, go to data, go to text in columns, go to the separation. I'm not sure what it's called in English. Sorry, my Excel is in German, but it should look the same. And if you need like an English explanation for it, I can find it on Google for sure. You click next and then select comma, remove top stop, click complete, and now you have your data in your columns. For me, because I'm from Germany, we have our notation is a little bit different. So where you set a comma, we set a point, and where you set a point, we set a comma, which is why you have those weird values in here. But that's fine. It should work on your machine. I believe you can import the document also into Google Drive if you use Google Drive. Yeah, so this would be the easiest solution for me. Let me go back. I'm not saving it. I will show you the quick version. So that was the version with explanation. Now let's do it quick. I open my document. I delete the first three columns, rows. I go to the last one, delete it because that's the logs that I don't want to see. I go to the last row, delete the timestamp, and boom, that's my data. I mark the column. I go to data, text in column, separated, next, comma, remove tab stop, complete. Boom, there's my data. And I believe that's the easiest solution I can come up with. We don't even have to use a webhook or an endpoint where we send the alert. No, we can just export right away from TradingView into a CSV file and then just edit and work with that CSV file. I think that's the easiest solution. Yeah, so let me know if that works for you. Yeah, and as soon as you give me like a response, then I will send the script to you. Have a good one. Hey, good morning, Jeffrey. So I've come up with a solution that I want to show you, and yeah, just want to check if that's working for you.